All right, so today we'll be adding some R12 to this old Dodge. Now this is an older system, and that's the line we're gonna go to, which is the low. We're gonna give it a charge. See this cap. Bottom that out. This is an old can. Connect this line to this and that to that, and I'll be back to you. All right, we got it hooked up and the can's not punctured yet. We're gonna start it up and put the AC on full blast. Now you're not gonna be able to hear me through the rest of this video, so don't mind the noise. I'll cut it out. Okay. Pressure come up. High. We're gonna go max AC. Alright, it's almost empty. Still cold.
Woo, boy.
And it's blowing ice,
It is chilly.
ice cold.
Chilling in here.
Alright. We're just going with it, right, Kua?
Yes. Why do we need to do this?
So we
So
have nice
AC.
AC, not hot AC.
Wasn't that hot?
Yeah, but with this, it'll be a lot better, I think. Spray it, yeah, spray all in there. Spray.
Can I maybe throw
Oh,
Can I hold the squeegee?
no, I'm working the squeegee.
No, like when you're not using it. Maybe squeegee.
That was, Kua asked me to do that. Did you just fart?
Yeah. You get sprayed.